Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. All happy families are alike. Each unhappy family is unhappy in its own way. If you look for perfection, you'll never be content. It is amazing how complete is the delusion that beauty is goodness. Respect was invented to cover the empty place where love should be. Only people who are capable of loving strongly can also suffer great sorrow, but this same necessity of loving serves to counteract their grief and heals them. Spring is the time of plans and projects. Nothing is so necessary for a young man as the company of intelligent women. Rummaging in our souls, we often dig up something that ought to have lain there unnoticed. When you love someone, you love the person as they are, and not as you'd like them to be. All the variety, all the charm, all the beauty of life is made up of light and shadow. Love. The reason I dislike that word is that it means too much for me, far more than you can understand. The strongest of all warriors are these two, time and patience. If everyone fought for their own convictions, there would be no war. A man can live and be healthy without killing animals for food. Therefore, if he eats meat, he participates in taking animal life merely for the sake of his appetite, and to act so is immoral. Boredom, the desire for desires. Love is life, everything that I understand only because I love. Everything is, everything exists only because I love. Everything is united by it alone. Love is God, and to die means that I, a particle of love, shall return to the general and eternal source. There is no greatness where there is not simplicity, goodness, and truth. All great literature is one of two stories. A man goes on a journey, or a stranger comes to town. It's much better to do good in a way that no one knows anything about it. The best stories don't come from good versus bad, but good versus good. Happiness does not depend on outward things, but on the way we see them. You can love a person dear to you with a human love, but an enemy can only be loved with divine love. True life is lived when tiny changes occur. What counts in making a happy marriage is not so much how compatible you are, but how you deal with incompatibility.